not with a majority, but 20% would prefer Professor Kindiki Kithure as a replacement of the current DP. 5% would prefer the Kirinyaga governor, Anne Waiguru. That's a tie with the Prime Cabinet Secretary, Honorable Musalia Mudavadi, who also scored a 5% as a possible replacement. Governor Gladys Wanga has a 4%, and they've tied with Ndini Nyoro. And there's the former Prime Minister, Honorable Raila Odinga, scoring a 2% as a possible candidate. What we need to take emphasis here is the 60% of Kenyans who have zero idea. So they've left it to the president to decide. So that's a majority, because the others, the figures are significantly low. And of course you can see majority, apart from Professor Kindiki, majority of them are single digit.